Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Royal Bibingka. Royal Bibingka is a rice cake that is chewy. There are many kinds of bibingka back in the Philippines, but this one is my favorite because it's sweet, chewy, and a bit savory because it has cheese on top. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So here are the ingredients that you will need to make the bibingka. Please note that glutinous rice flour is different from rice flour. I've put rice flour into my first bibingka and it was an epic fail, so please take note of that. So all you have to do is to measure, combine, and whisk together the first 6 ingredients, which are flour, sugar, the coconut milk, the evaporated milk, butter, and the eggs together. It's easy as that. After you've mixed everything all together, the next thing you do is line and grease your baking pan. This is important because we don't want the bibingka to stick onto your pan and have a hard time cleaning it afterwards. Then pour the batter mixture into the pan. Scrape everything from the bowl. We don't want anything left in there. Then we bake this at a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 55 to 60 minutes. After 55 to 60 minutes, you have to take the bibingka out of the oven, melt the butter, and brush it on top of the bibingka. And lastly, grate and sprinkle the cheese on top of the bibingka to make it a bit savory. Then we have to put it back at the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you're done. There you go, a freshly baked bibingka. Now time to cut it and serve it at the party. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and let's connect through social media. I do have an Instagram and Facebook page, so please connect through those channels, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!